King Charles caught off guard by sneezing alpaca in unexpected royal tour moment. King Charles had an unexpected encounter with an alpaca while visiting Canberra during his royal tour of Australia. Among the crowd of more than 1,000 well-wishers at the Australian War Memorial on Monday, October 21, Hefner, a 9-year-old alpaca, stood out with his regal attire. A suit, bow tie, and a gold crown perched atop his fluffy white head. Hefner, named in honor of Playboy founder Hugh Hefner, waited patiently for hours alongside his owner, Robert Fletcher, to meet the royal couple during their one-day tour of the Australian capital. "One king meets another king," Fletcher told reporters. As King Charles and Queen Camilla embarked on a 30-minute walk to greet the crowd, Charles stopped to pat the alpaca. Just as Charles went to pat his head, Hefner sneezed on him, catching the king and the surrounding crowd off guard. Charles pulled back, laughing at the unexpected turn of events. "At least he didn't spit," Fletcher quipped. Fletcher, who hails from Goulburn, New South Wales, uses Hefner as a support animal for charities and nursing homes, making the alpaca well known throughout the Canberra region for his charitable work.